So friend, Xiaomi has introduced its first compact tablet under the Redmi brand, the Redmi K Pad, featuring an 8.8-inch display and a premium portable design aimed at gamers, students and productivity-focused users. The tablet was unveiled during the company's Smart Ecosystem event in China, launching alongside the Mix Flip 2 and Redmi K80 Ultra. The Redmi K Pad features an 8.8-inch LCD panel with a 3008x1880 resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio. The custom 3K screen supports a variable 165Hz refresh rate and a 372Hz touch sampling rate, delivering smooth visual performance for gaming and multimedia. The panel reaches 700 nits peak brightness and includes DC dimming, HDR10, HDR Vivid and Dolby Vision support. Xiaomi uses real RGB pixel arrangement and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection, while TUV Inland Triple certifications and S++ eye care grading ensure reduced flicker and blue light emissions. The Redmi K Pad is powered by MediaTek 3nm Dimensity 9400 chipset featuring an octa-core CPU with peak speed of up to 3.73 Hz and an Immortalis G925 MC12 GPU. It includes Xiaomi Range Engine 4.0 which fine-tunes system-level performance and efficiency. The K Pad adopts Android first center-placed SoC layout, moving the heat source away from grip zones and allowing more uniform thermal control. It also uses a massive 12,050 mm square aluminum alloy vapor chamber to sustain high performance even during extended gaming session at 3K resolution, and tablet runs HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, offering a clean UI and full support for Xiaomi's Connect ecosystem. It supports PC-level productivity apps, remote PCX and seamless integration with Apple devices for cross-platform use cases. On the rear, the K Pad houses a 13-megapixel OV13B sensor with f/2.2 aperture and PDAF. The front camera uses an 8-megapixel OV08D sensor for video calls and selfies, and both cameras are tuned for basic imaging and conference needs. The device is equipped with a 7500 mAh battery that supports 67W wired fast charging, and it features Xiaomi's Bypass Charging Plus system, which lets users power the device directly from the charger while gaming, helping to minimize heat generation. The battery is TUV SUD certified to maintain 80% of its capacity after 1800 charging cycle. The tablet comes equipped with a quad-ring symmetrical dual speaker system that is 78% louder and 15% thinner than previous designs, and it supports Dolby Atmos and features dual USB-C port for enhanced flexibility, and there also a tri-antenna concurrent connectivity setup for improved Wi-Fi 7 stability and power latency during online gaming, and it also includes large X-axis linear motor for more immersive haptic feedback, while the all-metal unibody design contributes to both durability and a premium in-hand experience. And the Redmi K Pad is available in 3 colors: spruce green, smoky purple and deep black. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.